Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord game activity not showing. So the date today is February 22, 2024, and this is the latest fix for this. So what you want to do is go to user settings, and before uh the this setting was not here on the activity settings right here. So now if you want to find it, you just need to go to the activity privacy now. Once you're there, make sure that these are open. So display current activity as status message, turn that on, and also this one. Click on yes. And once you're done with that, go click on escape and try to go to your server. And as you can see, the status is now showing, wherein before it wasn't showing that. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.